Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip combos using a pop transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the fifth set of combos for two-handed flips, which use a pop transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your fourth set of combos down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So a pop transition is anytime you land with leg one, followed by leg two, and then take off with both feet at the same time into another trick. The first combo is going to be a pop transformer follow through to a pop transformer. So you're going to do your pop transformer and follow through to a front side stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop transformer. The second combo is going to be a pop cartwheel follow through to a pop cartwheel. So you're going to do your pop cartwheel and follow through again to a front side stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop cartwheel. Third combo is going to be a pop master scoot to a pop master scoot. So you're going to do your first pop master scoot and land in a backside stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop master scoot. And the last combo is going to be a pop hand swipe to a pop hand swipe. So again, you're going to do your pop hand swipe landing in a backside stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop hand swipe. Now when you do these combos, since we're only focusing on the transition between the two moves, you can start the combos with the spin or not, and you can end the combos with the follow through or not. It's totally up to you. Here are a few tips that can hopefully help you out. Make sure when you're doing these combos and transitions that you're focusing on staying on your toes as much as you possibly can. Always remember to keep your arms nice and firm, pushing through your shoulders rather than just locking out your arms. And always, no matter what, make sure that you're keeping your eyes open while you're doing any tricking move, honestly. Also, if you want to get a little bit more practice with a pop transition, you can go ahead and click on that video right there, and that'll help you out with that. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have a group of you guys who are down to support the curriculum as much as you do. Here at Upraiz Tricking, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into bound transition combos for two-handed flips, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.